So you say you can't get that lawnmower start? I bet you I get started. Hold on, wait. I got to get. Hold on, wait. Okay. You might not know me. I'll get this thing started. It ain't hard. I get this thing. Oh, I don't know about that. Let me listen a little bit closer. Hold on. Let me see what that is. What's that? That's the alternator. One thing about me, I'm gonna get it started. They got me messed up. Hold on, wait, watch this. Hold on. What I said? What I said? Hey, nephew!
Give me a beat.
Yeah. Yeah, I know you appreciate that. Shoot, just give me $1,500 for that, and I got you.